Good morning everyone. It is a dull and early start. Well, actually the sun came out now, but it was very dull this morning, lots of cloud cover, and I'm not going to tell you what we're doing today yet. You might have already guessed from the title and the thumbnail, but I'm going to surprise you. So, I'm in my pajamas now, time to get dressed.
Oh no, I said it won't be a surprise, but it can't be a surprise. So anyway, we go into the rain farm, which is about a 46-minute drive away from here, and it's in Ballito area, so yeah, it's going to be a cool drive up. So I just thought I'd show you where it was.
Bye, bridge. Shit, that bridge is so washed away. We had to come the long way because of that. Yeah, the floods. There's recent flooding. I've arrived at the rain farm and it's pretty nice here. Some guys doing some breakfast runs, some old stuff. Saw some Impala on the way in. Also the very wrecked bridge. There's a waterfall over here. Check this old ox wagon. Oh my god. And there's the game here. Yeah, take us for a ride. Just checked in, entrance is free, and we are just going down the staircase. Very dark kiddies play area. Oh, my favorite. Foosball. Yeah, and they got a ping pong table. Yeah, we trick shotters. Love the ping pong. Ooh, there's a putt-putt here. Check this. And there's like the rimless pool there. And you saw the cutaway of the waterfall. And I think this is a rimless pool. Made out of rock. Yeah, it looks like it. There's lots of activities to do here. And we're gonna go do the putt-putt, which is just around here. There's also paintball game drives, but the game drives are fully booked up. So we're gonna go do some putt-putt. We arrived at the putt-putt. It's a little sun. Love between all of this, there's like waterfalls and lots of plants and stuff. We got the putters and the balls from the thing in there on hole 1. Mr. Water, finish our 1,000,000 rounds of golf and ringing the bell for lunch. Right now. Bang, bell, bell. There was an Inyola somewhere, so I'm just going to go up there. It's Dad going up the stairs. We're going to the activity centre now.
The adventure center.
Oh, adventure centre, thank you Rosetta. Whatever. Anyway, it's 300 Rand per person, so Rosetta and I are doing it for 4 activities and it takes about an hour. So you're going to go drive there and do that. The 4 activities include rock climbing,
Paintball.
and archery. We have the adventure centre, we have paintball over here, archery over there. Looks like a lambing and ape sailing aside. Can't wait to get on it. Ready to go on the wall. really fun time in the Venture Center, paintball, archery, abseiling, rock climbing, and now we're going to end it off with a walk. Really? Oh my gosh, so many stairs. Caracol coming towards us. He's right here. It's beautiful. So he's in an enclosure. I've never been so close to a wild. Came back from our walk, saw the Caracol enclosure, and it's my view right now. Got a good view, and I think we're just gonna go home. I'm not sure, we might do one more activity here. I don't know, so wait and find out. So we're leaving the rain farm, and it was an amazing day. Yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.